The U.S. Warships cruise missile fires nuclear to Russian warship in Black Sea. The guided missile cruiser USS Monterey passed through the Bosporus and back into the Mediterranean Sea last week, signaling more than just the end of Sea Shield 2021, the U.S. commanders said. It was also a stark reminder to Moscow that the Black Sea is not just a Russian lake. Our operations in the Black Sea demonstrate our commitment to NATO partners and support the provision of stability in the maritime environment, said Captain Joseph A. Baggette, commander of the Monterey. The Monterey and the USS Thomas Hudner, a Navy destroyer, participated in Sea Shield 2021, a multinational naval exercise hosted by Romania. They trained alongside naval forces from several countries in the region, including Albania, Bulgaria and Croatia. Along with learning how to fight together even if the participants don't speak the same language, they practiced anti-submarine warfare and countering sea mines, among other drills. Bordered by Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania, Ukraine, Russia and Georgia, the Black Sea has long been a critical waterway for maritime commerce in Europe and the focus of Russian commercial and military interest since the days of the Romanov emperors. Russia's Black Sea coastline gives the Kremlin its only warm water ports and serves as a springboard for military operations as far away as Syria. More broadly, the sea straddles what a recent Middle East Institute survey called the fault lines among major clusters of global power: Europe to the west, China and Russia to the east, and Iran and Syria to the south. The Black Sea has taken on even greater strategic importance after Russia's 2014 annexation of the Crimean Peninsula from Ukraine. A workshop of leading regional experts run by the RAND Corporation think tank in 2019 said Moscow is pursuing multiple strategic goals through a more powerful presence in the sea. Although the U.S. Navy has trained in the Black Sea in the past, analysts say, it appears the Pentagon has been stepping up its game to counter an increasingly aggressive Russia and to reassure smaller allies along Russia's western borders. But whether the Biden administration has the staying power to confront and contain Moscow is in question. A naval exercise such as Sea Shield 2021 definitely gets the Russian attention. But in order to be effective and sustainable, it also requires building out the capacity of our allies, said Brent Sadler, a retired Navy captain now with the Heritage Foundation. We'll see how long it is sustained.
My name is Command Master Chief Dean Howell. I'm from Winfield, Louisiana, and I am the Command Master Chief on board USS McCampbell DDG-85. So I'll tell you, being the Command Master Chief on USS McCampbell is pretty incredible, especially the Desmond 15 team that we have. It's not just
the Navy often operates in the Black Sea in a manner it says is consistent with the Montreux Convention, the 1936 agreement that regulates the transit of naval warships through the Turkish-controlled Bosporus, the only outlet to the Mediterranean.
Specifically in Japan. I'll tell you, our sailors want to be in positions that matter.
While the U.S. warship exercises in the Black Sea were about demonstrating credibility and concern to allies, the B-52 flights were about demonstrating to Russia the credibility of the U.S. strike capacity, the former admiral said.
Combining the two air wings, Carrier Air Wing 17 and Carrier Air Wing 5 together, really puts on display the advanced tactics that we can bring to a fight if it's required, and definitely reassures our partners that we are here and committed to regional stability and assurance to all in this part of the world.
This opportunity for two carrier strike groups to train and operate together in the region provides combatant commanders with significant operational flexibility and capabilities that only the U.S. Navy can command.
Batteries released. 3, 2, 1. Batteries released.
Birds affirmed, birds away. Track 4352, hit course. Time to go 3-1.